Good morning dear students and good morning dear friends. For second year PUC Karnataka state syllabus we have got two textbooks, and textbook number 1 is Springs and textbook number 2 is Streams. So for both the textbooks we have got 50 marks each, and first textbook which carries here 50 marks is Spring, and in that Spring we have got unit number 1, that is Romeo and Juliet. Romeo and Juliet is a romantic tragedy, and this particular tragedy is written by William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, who is a great writer, and his name is remembered till the sun is going to become cold. Such a great person is William Shakespeare, and all of us have to know about him. So what should be known? His great tragedies, and the great tragedies of him, among them Romeo and Juliet is one. Romeo is a young boy who enters into the grand supper of Lord Couplet to see just Rosaline. Unexpectedly there he saw Juliet on the dance floor. When he saw Juliet on the dance floor, for the first time he was attracted towards her, and he was fascinated by her beauty. So there when he saw her, he pours out his feelings, and that particular feeling were collected in the first poem of our discussion. First he says that her beauty has the torches to burn bright. So how beautiful is she? So she is very beautiful, and her beauty can teach us the torches to burn bright. So she is very beautiful, and with her beauty she can do what? She can teach us the torches to burn bright. She can teach us the torches to burn bright. This is what we have to know. Not only this is right and true, we also have to know that she has been compared to many things in this poem. She is a rich jewel in an African earlobe. So all the Africans are dark enough, and one among such African has got a earlobe. The earlobe will be made up of a rich jewel, and that type of jewelry is none other than Juliet according to William Shakespeare, and in the terms of Romeo. Juliet is just like a dove bird in the company of crows. How is Juliet according to Romeo? So Romeo is saying that Juliet is like a dove bird in the company of crows. So all the crows are of dark color, but only Juliet is going to be bright, light, and too white enough. So this is what Romeo says here in his feelings. After this, Romeo says that Juliet is very beautiful, and that beauty is too dear for the earth mother to bear. So how is Juliet? She is very beautiful, and because she is beautiful, her beauty is too rich for use. Apart from this, we also have to know that the moment when the dance is over, is indicated with the word called measure done. So measure done means the dance is over. When the dance is over, he wants to touch the place of her stand, and he wants to get his rude hands blessed. So beautiful was Juliet. Then he interrogates himself, then he questions himself whether my feelings towards Juliet are really true. Yes, then he says, yes, my feelings are really true, because yet I didn't see true beauty till this night. So these are the feelings of Romeo towards Juliet. So we have to know Lord Couplet has organized a grand supper. In that supper, Romeo enters in disguise to see Rosaline, but there he saw Juliet on the dance floor, who was dancing with a gentleman, and he was attracted towards her beauty, and there he poured out all these feelings. Coming to the next poem, and this poem is written by the same writer, that is William Shakespeare, but the tone of this person is changed, and she is none other than Juliet. Now it is the turn for Juliet to say her feelings towards Romeo. When the marriage between Romeo and Juliet was in secret and it is not accepted by the family members or either of the family members, then Juliet was waiting for the arrival of Romeo, and she was awaiting, and she may not know the banishment which was done by Prince Excalus, and she was waiting with a lot of excitement for Romeo in her father's orchard. So orchard means fruit garden. There she was awaiting there. First she welcomes two things, night and then Romeo. They can meet only during the dark time. Because of this, we should know that Juliet welcomes two things. One is dark night and second is Romeo. When the dark time comes, when the dark night comes, then only Romeo can come, and he has the power to keep out of her darkness life, or her life's darkness can be kept away by Romeo. So powerful was the presence of Romeo in her life. Not only this is well known to us, and she further says that his presence will be just like a new snow on a raven's back. So how is the presence of Romeo in the life of Juliet? Romeo is like a new snow on a raven's back, means on a large crow, Romeo will be like a new snow, means untouched snow will be of too white. Further, when she feels that if Romeo never comes, then after her death, Romeo has to be cut into little pieces of stars and decorate the sky. From then onwards, all the people love to see the night, because in the sky there will be Romeo who will aglow and keep out of all the people's darkness. Even the people neglect the garish sun. Garish sun refers to over-decorated sun. Even that over-decorated sun also will be neglected by the people. These are the feelings of Juliet towards Romeo. After the marriage, they couldn't live apart. We know very well in the story, Romeo kills the cousin of Juliet, and he has been banned from the kingdom, which is not known to Juliet. In these two poems, we can see first the feelings of Romeo towards Juliet, and in the second poem, we can see vice versa. That means Juliet's feelings towards Romeo. Thank you very much.